Hi Chad, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is Monday, October 21st of 2024. We are back for another stream. Few people here in chat today. Small showing, but that's okay. I'm not complaining. I was in San Francisco the last week for a leadership offsite is I guess the best way to describe it. Fuck camera. Oh. No, it's better. Weird. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, basically a bunch of like planning garbage and yeah, so that was fun, I guess. It was very stressful. A lot of stuff happened. But I also got to go climbing at my favorite climbing gym in the world. That was cool. Went to Dogpatch Boulders with my friend. And it was a great day of climbing, and also got to hang out with some people. I got to see Juicebox Hero, you know, everyone in chat's favorite person, and Tofu lost her fucking mind as usual, but anyway, so the plan for today's stream, okay, good, this is working. Some weirdness. I'm pretty sure all of my problems with my VM are related. But there's also some weirdness with the network. Sometimes it doesn't connect. So if I disconnect or reconnect it a bunch of times, then it just works. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. The plan for today is to fix 3.13 and 3.14, and then make 3.15 nightly available, and should hopefully get us to prove out our scripts because, well, we haven't touched them in a while, so it'll be a good little exercise there. But anyway, let me say hi to everyone who's here. JJMC was first. Hello, hello. Life's Faded. We're also here. We're also here. All the snakes are dead. I'm not gonna lie. I thought you were Kexit at first, just because I saw the particular pink name. But welcome, Life's Faded. Spiral's also here. How you doing? The best viewers came, so it's all good. True. The Endless Server is also here, and Polymathic Man. Hello, hello. Welcome. And apparently the song I picked is looping. He's in the playlist though. 233. Silly YouTube. So buggy. Alright, on to the next one. The Nova Glow. Hello. It's been a while. Anthony, I have to learn Python for work. Pray for me. Well, it's not that hard to learn, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal, right? Yeah. Okay, so we will start with deadsnakes, Python. I guess I'll do 3.14 first. Does that make sense? No, maybe we'll do 3.13 first. Yeah. How does this thing work? I don't even remember. Update surely will be the thing that I want. So it'll do its thing. It has been a while. Hope you've been well. It's going, you know. Same shit, different day, but different shit, different, I don't know. It's going. We're doing stuff. Still maintaining basically the same things. Still working in the same place, you know. Trudging onwards through life. The in-server says, I learned today that in Fortran you assign the value you want to return to the function name. Ah. That's kind of nifty. Is that just the calling construct leaking out, or is that actually just how their source code works? You know, there's actually a faster way to do this, so we're gonna do that. Git submodule update init reference dissociate. That'll get us our faster submodule clone, hopefully. My internet down? What is going on? Is it doing something? I don't have HTOP. Oh, it is doing something. It's just very quiet for some reason. That was weird. We're gonna do the same thing here. We are going to do the same thing here. That was weird. I kind of expect this to print stuff while it runs, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Fortran function calling. I don't even know what it's called. What is the thing that I'm looking for? It's like there's a C calling construct. I want the AI. I don't even know how I would find this. It's like C has a certain like argument order or argument setup. I don't care enough, so we're not gonna do it. Okay, let's call update again. Okay, so somewhere in here, I think is a merge conflict. Or a rebase conflict, which is fine. But basically what we want to do, I think that should be in here. It should be in its conflict, maybe? No. Where does it run? Oh, inside the work directory. There should be a conflict here. But we basically want to, so we never did this before. Alright, we did this before, but we hadn't port this to the new script. There's a, this thing here. So we have like a special bit of code that that allows us to do rebase nicely, or to allow us to solve rebase conflicts. And we just didn't implement this because I knew I was going to need it eventually, and I didn't need it to get my proof of concept working. So we're basically going to port this code into the new scripts. Yeah. Eagle PT, thank you for reminding me to open up my Streamlabs dashboard. Thank you for the resub. And I'm not even logged in. 32 months though. Holy shit. God damn. Thank you for your continued support. It's great to see you again, and I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate you hanging out with us today. Ooh. Damn, that's a lot of months. Shmuel is here. Hello, hello. And Doctor says lots of talk about Jujutsu, the version control system. I wonder if you've ever taken a look at it. I've never heard of it, so I have not. The answer said the code is so old that it's already fun again. It's from 1989. God damn, that code's older than me. Holy shit. Wow. Yeah, that's an old one. Okay, so we're looking for the rebase command, and we basically need to, to do interactive this like refresh patches. So we got to figure out how to do that. So what did I do here? I feel like we've got a call somewhere here. Yeah, so we basically want command R here. And we want some way to say that we interact with this. So I think what we want to do is do a no interactive on this command. Update.add argument, no interactive. But this is backwards. Dest equals interactive. Yeah, because we don't want to deal with the double negatives. So we'll say no interactive, dest interactive, store false, and then we can say interactive equals interactive, and then def updates interactive bool. That should give us that. And so then we can say, well, we gotta also update the fucking gotta find the calls to it. Update. HakelBT says, what's the goal for today? Ideally to get Python 3.15 Nightly's building. Yeah. We're gonna add that there. Need to add that. Seems good. Yeah, so what did I say that the command was called? Or command R? Oh, outdated version has resubbed at a 48-month streak for 52 months. Holy shit. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing absolutely wonderfully. Outdated version. It's always good to see you, and I thank you for stopping by. How you been? What are you up to? How are things? R? How did I write this before? If command R, then if not interactive, then we can just do return 1. Otherwise, we can do this. We cancel get rebase dash abort and exit 1 to continue resolve the rebase conflicts and exit 0. Yeah, that sounds right. That sounds right. Twitch username Bra says, first time here, what are we up to? We are working on Dead Snakes. Thank you, Elfenrod, for doing the bank today. Also, hello, good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Outdated version says, last hour answering Slack threads. Oh boy, that was me too. Polymathic Man, thank you for the bits. I appreciate it. 900 bits, thank you. Appreciate that. Oh god. Oh no. We've really turned on the hype train here with Haplo Eco, who has resubbed, who says /Command R did not rebase cleanly for 17 months. Yeah, basically. Kexit's here. There we go. Hello. Right, meow. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, this seems right. Although we can actually just say Command R on this. It's consistent. Yeah. Interactive is not defined. What do you mean not defined? Oh, because this should be args dot. Yeah. So if we try this again, update, it should drop us into a shell to fix it. Yeah. Cool. Now, let's see what we got here. Oh, but we need to be in the right directory. Okay. Right. 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 Needs to be in the right working directory. Of course. Try that again. I was like, good status. Why is it not? Where's my status? Gonna sleep, have a good stream? Well, thank you for stopping by. Hello, goodbye. Good to see you. Alright. Configure.ac. Oh no, this is gonna be the goddamn... Oh. I hate this file. Oh, what the fuck changed here? Oh, potentially a lot. Oh, fuck me. Well, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. This always happens after a minor release of Python. A bunch of changes that were blocked by, like, were blocked by patch freeze all land at the same time and usually end up breaking stuff. I think this is probably the commit that broke it because it's been pinging me for a bunch of days. So configure.ac. Oh, I changed here. This song is also looping. Go on to the next one. Okay, so before it set Python path to this fucking thing. It's not this thing. Weird ass syntax. No, this is where it ends. Okay, so it set Python path to some directory if pybuilder.txt existed, followed by lib. And now it does Python path is just source dir lib. Okay. So this pybuilder thing is just gone. Oh, what else changed here? Python sysconfig name became underscore sysconfig data underscore API flags multi-arch. Or it's the same. And then there's this new sysconfig data path, which is this bit here. Okay. Bit of a pain. So now I need to understand what the fuck the old patch does here. Hype chest. Thank you for the hype train chat. Well, I opened my hype chest. I got this emote. Good one. God, which patch are we dealing with? It's this one. Yeah, it's definitely this line. Okay, so what the fuck changed here? Okay, so the Python path part is the same. I don't have to change that. Sysconfig data name did change though. By removing much dep. Yeah. I think that's all we need to do to restore this patch. Look, this is one of the spooky ones that I never know if it's quite right. Okay, so we want to take the new version, which I believe is this one. But we want to remove this part, I believe. That looks ABI flags, multi-arch. Removing that tuple, that piece of this triplet. Oh. Why does it look like more? Data looks right. It's probably just word diff being a little shitty. What's the word diff regex? Word diff regex. Okay, so in theory, if I do word diff regex equals dot. Okay, show me what I wanted, but like kind of a shitty way. But I also want to show what it looks like originally. So if I look at git log this and configure .ac, actually do word diff here. Okay, cool. This tells me what I wanted to know, which is that this is the same diff that I applied here. I'm feeling better about that. Okay, so git rebase continue, and exit 0. And it should do its thing, I guess. Oh, change logs, module update, and patch diffs. We should see a patch diff for this line. Yeah. That diff became different. Oh, it's a diff too, so it's a little hard to see, but I think that looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna push that up. And we know it's good. Well, we don't know it's good, but I'm just gonna assume it's good. We'll know the next time it gets commit. And now we get to do the same thing for 3.14, and then we do 3.15. But we also did this, so let's commit this as well. GBP interactive update. Add no interactive to meta GBP update. Well, actually, let's just say an interactive rebase fix to meta GBP updates. Fine. Interactive effect. Oh, we never killed the old workflows, did we? I think they're unused now. I'll go through and let's make sure that Prigrid CI is happy here. I also have to go through and merge all my updog PRs because I didn't do them last week, but I'm going to wait until they rerun again today because it'll also upgrade my Pi, and so rather than doing 2 of them, I'll just do 1 of them. But the updog day is in progress at the moment, so this song also loops, but it's a banger, so we're gonna let it loop. Okay, so I want to say that some number of these are dead. Elvenrat says bang updog. I'm talking about pre-commit CI's auto update day. We sometimes call updog day. So I finally figured out why people keep spamming this fucking PR. It didn't make sense to me, but now I understand. I'm gonna save myself the trouble. Thank you, Felicia Ann Kelly Taylor GV. Thought of a fake name. Oh god. Oh god, iframes. The fuck is going on here? Windows 95 gist. What is this? This just looks like fucking AI generated nonsense. And it keeps going. What the fuck is this? Anyway, enough down that rabbit hole. Yeah, okay, so we need to do the same thing here. And it should be actually the same conflict. Yep, looks like it. But now we don't have to do it 6 times, we only have to do it twice. Well, no, we don't have to do it 12 times, we only have to do it twice. Which is a drastic improvement over what it used to be. This is here. Get rebase continue. Then exit 0. That should be that. Cool. Yeah. So now we get to figure out how I actually make a new one of these, because we haven't done this yet, and I don't think the old instructions work because we never updated them. Oh, but I wanted to get rid of for you. So you're to build images. Okay, so that one's not changing. But these are the old workflows. Look at all this YAML that just goes away. It's so nice. Goodbye, YAML. Delete old reusable workflows. Yes. I was pushed to main. Fuck it. All right. We need to potentially look at this new nightly dot markdown. I think this is just gone now. Word upstream. Out, copy Debian. Yeah, we're not gonna do all of this. This goes away. New version. Move new version dot empty. This is a new GPU workflow gets these directly from a configured nightly. Okay, so that's gone too. I think some of these other scripts are gone as well. I like this fixed symbols I haven't run in years because I turned off the symbol checking. So this script is just dead. We're cleaning shop today. You can pass M twice? Yes! This is one of my favorite things that chat taught me. Let me see if I can find the video. But yeah, this is one of my favorite things that chat taught me. First I need git. Yeah, episode 95 it looks like. Also showed off in 383. Lanes 095. I'm using quotes and new lines like a goober? Yeah. Git commit message pro tip. Episode 95. Yeah, it's a very good one. I use it all the time once I learned it. One of those things where you're like, am I gonna use this? But yeah, definitely is a useful one. Remove fixed symbols. Symbol tracking. Long time ago. Don't use that anymore. What else can we clean up? If we're gonna clean shop before I actually do this next thing, I'm procrastinating because I know it's difficult. So, I know what's in bin. Oh, that's for the build scripts. They're building the Docker files itself. I think Docker run is still used. Yeah, that looks used. Probably used by scripts. Or no, build and tools. Okay, so that's still used. Import DSC, I don't think we use this anymore. This is for just grabbing what Debian has. And I don't think we've used this in a long time. Importing. Find a suitable source. Prefer the Ubuntu packaging is from some future LTS. Yeah, we don't do this anymore. We're faster than them, so we don't bother. If importing.md plus import dsc. We have. I haven't pulled from Bungu. What else we got? What's next? Import upstream. I don't think we use this anymore either. Updating.md. Yeah, this doesn't happen anymore. It all happens through MetaGBP. Yo. This is all gone too. Gone too. This is gone too. Oh, did I not get rid of the to-do? Fuck. Ah. Yeah, I'll do that at the same time. What else do we have left? We actually use the release tool? I don't think we do anymore. I think there's a release sub-argument. Upload. That's the dput stuff. What does release do? It pushes tags and does dput. Okay, so we don't use this anymore either. Build, Docker run, make new image. Actually, does the build work? Ah, yeah. We still reuse the build script, so that one's not gone. Quick test is still around. That's still used also. Cool. This isn't even true anymore. How does that work? Yeah. That worked. Take the args.source. Does it know what to do? Oh, you have to call materialize first, probably. First materialize. So distribution you want to work on. Does materialize take the distribution? Probably. It's the most recent LTS Noble. I don't give a fuck to document it, but enough, right? We do need to fix this though. Let's follow this through. Create repo, add org secrets, copy from the previous nightly. We could probably even just fork the previous nightly. That might be easier. Vintage, yeah, that's an old video. We don't need this anymore. We don't need any of this. Let's see. Copy main branch from previous nightly. Don't need to do this anymore or this. Yeah, we're gonna have to be more prescriptive on what this means, but let's this is gonna be a lot simpler than before, which is good, it looks like. Let's follow the steps. Dead snakes. Let me just make sure that they're actually calling it 315 before I make the repo, because sometimes I know they're looking at changing things around. Why does it still says this is main? Why didn't they bump the version? Oh, have they not set up a 314 branch yet? Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself then. I thought 315 was already named and numbered. Is it not? I might be getting ahead of myself then. I thought they did that right when the final released, but maybe I'm misremembering. That's what is the 14 one called? And I can remove these because they're dead and gone. Yeah, this should bump to Alpha 1 now that it's building. Alpha 1 got released, but not the next main line. Right, no, it's when it flips over to beta? Yeah, when it flips to beta, they cut the branch. That's what it is. So I don't have to do what I'm doing. But Might as well run through it anyway, just to... This doesn't do the right thing. So yeah, it's probably just these files. That's probably fine. Oh. Read me. Change logs. And control. What did it used to do before? Dump the version to 3.whatever.0 alpha 0-1. Yeah, that seems fine. I just wrote for example, that's what's off screen there. Remove old runbook scripts. Yeah. Okay, so we're not doing 315. I was wrong. So we gotta come up with something else to do today. That's fine though. That is fine. Okay, this song is looped enough. We can go on to another one. Well, shit. I thought we were gonna have more work to do on that, but I guess not. Okay, I know a couple things we can work on, so it's fine. Fine, it's fine, it's fine. This is one thing that I have to do, so we're just gonna do this. I gave the other maintainer a week to review it. They did not review it, so we're fucking merging it. Ta-da! I gotta make a tag and release. So looks like the tags are like that. How did I do this? Oh, I did fucking GPG signing garbage. Well, we can do more GPG signing garbage. Let's see if I remember how to do it. Dash sign, get tag sign 2.0.27. Can I use that as the message? I don't know. Oh, nope. So we will put a message in. Oh, look at that. I did do my password manager. Paste. Weird that it gave me the pop-up. I feel like it doesn't usually give me the pop-up. But fuck it. Alright, push that up. Eventually that'll promote, I think. By unnecessary branch. Sweet. Supposed to be here. Oh yeah, this shit's never getting merged. Never ever ever. Neither is this. For weird reasons. Why is my phone going off? Chill. Chill. What's going on? And And there's a updog error. I'm gonna click the little button. I don't know if I've showed any of you this admin panel before. Actually, it does show people's. Do it off screen. People's updog PRs got bopped. It's all one username though, so I wonder if they just got. Say they're all requeued though. Well, we'll see if the number comes back. They're all from one user, so sometimes that'll happen if they get banned. Yeah, they are coming back. Then I get to look into what their user is. I'm just gonna click requeue again. See if they got banned on GitHub. Often that's what happens. No, they are. Repo. Sorry, give me a sec. Let me see if it's a public repo. If it's a public repo. So, I requeued everything, and this is the repo, and this is the pull request here. And frequency I is failing here. The next thing I usually check is, do they actually have a active install? Because sometimes they'll run this and then uninstall it. So we go here. Do you still have this here? Entered functions. That looks fine. So what the fuck then? This is where I get to actually debug stuff. Hooray! I get to figure out what's wrong right now. See why that particular one is. Again, and grab my errors. Yes. That's fake code. Fucking MFA app switched everything around. One. That's the code that I just read. Yeah. Then look at our error logs. Right now, log groups and errors. And sure, this will probably be good enough. Float types are not supported. Use decimal types instead. That's not good. The fuck? That's really bad. Float types are not supported. Use decimal types instead. This feels like a breakage in AWS. Because I didn't change any code. This hasn't deployed in a while either. Fuck. Let's see if anyone else has complained about this. Float types are not supported. Use decimal types instead. This is very old. Convert all the floats to decimals? I don't even know where the floats would come from. Let's see. Man, if do a hotfix. It's been forever since we've touched this code. I don't know why this would be different. What runner data clone was the one that had trouble with? Manifest has a float in it? That's surprising. Is there? So this is a hilariously old version. Fuck. This is my. Why is this version so old? Oh, I know why. Because they're using a hook that. No? Well, that doesn't make any sense. How are they forced on such an old ass version here? Morningstar option. Hello, hello. How you doing? The bot responded, but I need to update it. Set today. Right now, we're debugging pre-commit CI. Yeah. Why are they on such an old fucking version? Oh, this is. Oh, that's not good. Why? Oh, their config is just very confusing. Okay. Oh, their YAML is all sorts of fucked up here. So they have repo here, and then they have repo again down here. I thought this was an error. So something changed at some point that made this not an error. This is supposed to be an error. Unless it's a warning? Maybe it's a warning. Morning star option, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Co-work with you. I'm learning Python. Nice, nice. Welcome, welcome. Avalbona, how you doing? Frequency IA, we're intending to do it. But something is fucked up with this repo, I think. They must have put something in their pre-commit hooks that is a float. And this needs to be a string. So yeah. That is just broken. I'm quite surprised it causes pre-commit CI to be unhappy. But it's certainly a new one. So how do I fix this? Arguably this commit is wrong. Yeah. Yeah, and somebody has maybe noticed it? No. Yeah, so what the fuck? What do I do here? How did it pass manifest validation? Does it even do manifest validation at that point? Where does it get to that part? Where does it even get to that part? And clone. Clone? Really should result in a build failure. Huh. String. Manifest equals load manifest. That do. Just calls YAML though. So it doesn't do any validation at this point. Cool. I guess we could just convert all floats to decimals. But what does that even do if we YAML dump that? And represent object decimal. Look. How does this even work? What do we use this manifest for? I guess is the first question. It's interesting that precommit never has used a float up until this point. And didn't even intend to use a float here. This is a mistake on their part. What do I even do here? I gotta figure out why we even store this. Probably a shortcut. Steps, build M. Manifest. All of them. Oh, it's to save a lookup. Then what? Did build. Normalize manifest. What does that do? Schemas.manifest. Oh, we do actually have a schema available here. We can actually use this. Maybe. We don't have much validation in there. But we do have enough to prevent this particular error. So I guess we can do that. Yeah, so maybe we do this validation earlier on. Where'd that YAML load go? Okay, so it was never able to store these, so I can just we can really just do this normalization here, but we need to hold it in the old place for at least a version bump. So it's backwards compatible. It's very tricky. But I think we can actually get away with it being a float here. Or a decimal, because I don't think we ever passed the value anyway. What do we do with these? Like, we just error here. What's wrong? Icar Robot. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? You know, I wonder if we don't even store the whole manifest. Why do we store the whole thing? Like we really only need those values, right? 3. Not actually a bot, fair enough. We get a lot of ex-robot users in this chat. Yeah, so we can actually get away with not storing most of the manifest data. I think. What do we actually fucking need? Orange man's ID equals hook ID hook for hook in that. We really just need a mapping from hook ID to hook. And then what do we need in the hook? Underscore hook. Just as dick splat. Damn. Damn. Okay, so we kind of sort of need it. Wow, so Clutch. Hello, hello. How you doing? Yeah, so probably the easiest thing is just to do the manifest validation. So let's do that here in the clone step as well. Dot clone key. Just do that. What are you working on today, Improvement? There's a new bug. Well, if I refresh this, we have a backlog. We have dead lettered things, and I found that it's because this version bumped. This is confusing. This value actually gets overridden down here. That you just suck at YAML. I think this is a warning. I thought this was an error, but I guess it's just a warning. And I checked down the repo, found the error message. Float types are not supported. Use decimal types instead. And it turns out that it's because somebody put a float here when they meant to put a string. That's supposed to be a string. And so if I validate it, then it won't be an error anymore. So I can just do this, validate. Be good. Here we do so maybe we just do this here. Maybe we just copy the whole function. Move this function into here. Then oh, how do we know? Oh, we don't even have the clone key yet, do we? This is just gonna be repo rev, I guess. Stir rev stir. So then this just becomes repo rev. And we just have to do get rid of you here. Do import that too. You solved a problem with Python today. What sort of problem? Rev. I should write a test probably if we have one. Load manifest. Okay. Load manifest. Incorrect language version. This actually doesn't completely fix the problem, but it does make it better, I guess. It's the minimum that we need. Just equals expected. Virtual Other one says, I've seen you say in a video some time ago that you'll be slowing down a bit in open source. Why is that? Because I find it less fun. And I feel like I'm doing a lot of work for not much personal benefit. So this is a big ol' string. That one. This one. Basically, I don't know. I've been a little unmotivated, but I also feel like I'm not getting much out of open source, and it's demanding a lot of me. We got an extra new line. Maybe we strip the whole thing? We don't have this here. That. Like the other test should fail now too. Boy. State util. Fucking me. This here as well. That. Cool. Minus. Oh. Where's day 2 till coming from? I don't know. Probably from fucking Bodo. These VC companies investing in open source have anything to do with it? Are VC companies investing in open source? Funding a handful of people, not really broadly investing in it. And VC, sure, but like, I think like, I don't know. Drugs. Yeah, I don't know that that's really investing in it though, and it's not really a part of it. Definitely not the reason why that I feel like I'm not getting much out of open source. It's kind of been like this for a while, and that like almost all of what I do in open source is answer fucking duplicates of people that are pissed off and don't have the time to actually think about their problems, and I just don't care. I don't care about their problems. I built something cool for myself, and yeah, I'm facing the consequences. It feels like. But yeah. Why so angry? What do you mean? Why are they angry? Because their shit's not working and they turn their brains off when they see an error message. How it is. Oh, this is gonna render fine. I think that stuff is new enough that it'll be good enough. We could put a better check for this and just like forbid anything that's not not a, or, I mean, there should just be never a float anywhere. It's not like I'm gonna stop doing what I'm doing. It's just like I don't feel motivated to build. Well, I don't feel motivated to work on about half my projects because those ones are, you know, Astral related. Like, why the fuck am I gonna work on something if it's just gonna line someone else's pocket with millions of VC dollars? I mostly don't work on Legate and such beyond maintenance. This song is also looping. But yeah, I think when I talk about taking a step back from open source, I'm more thinking about like other stuff, but I would still want to work on. I just don't have time. And all of my time is gobbled up by fucking people being pissy in my. I'll just show you an example from today. Yeah, it does. This is not a good example. This is one that's just like where does that file even come from? Yeah, wait, what did they even link to? Is it? Oh, it's just the root. It's in a subdirectory. Ah. What's the generic Python 3 one? Is it just this? We don't build Python 2 shit anymore. Simplify version markers. These are always out of date. Chris says, is this the project that you got by accident? Yeah. Oh, fuck. Did that commit directly to main? That's not what I want to do. God damn it. Shit. Well. Why am I getting called? Hold on a sec. Hello, this is Anthony. I have a prescription ready. Oops. Main to commit directly to main. Thought the branch protection would stop me. The Astro stuff is kind of worrying from a community health perspective. We're gonna have bat times when they change the license, and we've collectively neglected the shared tools. Yeah, they promised they won't, but who fucking knows? Does this actually publish? Let's see. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Fixed? Oh, 3 weeks ago. Neat. Cool. Because overload items based on self-typing during type inference. Oh, that's actually pretty big. Cool, so there, I probably have a type ignore to fix there too. These. That one in a bit. Oh, we gotta finish this though. This isn't actually enough to do. Maybe we just validate that there's no floats anywhere. But we want to be able to give them a good error message. Pregment ever use anything but lists, but strings? Is everything a string? I think everything's a string. No, there's booleans. Booleans in some places. Oh, this will be good enough. Fixes the problem at hand. It's not the correct solution, but it's good enough. Validate schema earlier. Yeah. Normalize, validate / normalize schema earlier. Prevents a error inserting into Dynamo where the value we float. Where language version is incorrectly a float. Okay. Leave myself a note for the future. That way when it's fucked, I can say, I told you so. At least it'll just be me telling myself I told you so. Cool. Fresh, because that button doesn't work. Yeah. Merge. Alright, while this is deploying, I'm gonna go fill up my water. I will be right back, and I will see you in a sec. We can try this out on the dev instance. The pre-prod! I'll see you in a sec. All right, we are back. Did it make it to dev? Probably not, because we only gave it 2 minutes or so. So I'm gonna let that promote. And while that's happening, we can work on something else. There are a few things that came up here. Thought we had fixed this already, but I guess not. So we'll double check that one, but I know this one's broken, so let's fix this one first. Very easy to do. Obviously garbage code, but upgrade shouldn't produce the wrong result here. So let's fix it. Should be trivial to fix. Basically prevent that case. I don't know that there's any others. So I guess comprehend. Yeah, so let's just start with tests, I guess. Just plugins, no tests. Why is there test plugins? Where are you? Unit test for that. Vito, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Test features. Set literals. I guess we're gonna have set literals and then thick literals as well. Yeah. So we also need to specifically check. Well, it's gonna be a no-op everywhere, so it shouldn't matter. 12 F string containing an open brace. Yes. So this should just be a no-op. Oh, this should be part of the no-op. Yeah. Rewriting a set. Rewriting braces inside an F string. So we'll just write it out. Starts of, I guess, directly inside F string placeholder. That is a no-op. Does this also have the set comprehensions? It does also. Do that here as well. That's not what I did. Dino says, made it to SF alive. I'm ready to be home already. I miss Pseudo. That's crazy, Dinos. I was literally there. I guess not yesterday. Wait, no. It was Sunday. No, I was there a day and a half ago. So we should have failing tests here. Yeah, so this demonstrates the problem. Turns it into escaped curly braces here. We should also have one for dictionary literals as well, because they also do the same thing. We have a work conference this week, so I have to co-run a session for it. Ah, nice. Yeah, that's sort of basically what I was doing too. That literals test, so I'll just do the same thing here. Oh, there's only comprehensions here. Don't need to do special here. Let's do dict E for A, B, and Y. Don't even need this. That should be a failing test there too. Great. Perfect. You love to see it. Do we need any other ones? I think those are the only ones that do this. Can't think of any case where that does it. Might be some in like the 6 stuff, but I don't know. Maybe iter items? Iter items could do that. Who the fuck's gonna write? Who the fuck's gonna write this code that's already that somebody's hitting a problem on here? First off, but that seems fine. Pretty easy thing to fix. Okay. Directly in F string. So set literals. So we should have a thing here. Visit call. So we do have parent. We can just check that the parent is not an F string. If it is a set call with one argument and this. Are you a constant? Unclear. Yeah, unclear. It's literally in basically the first commit. This is like when I started PapGrid in 2017. Combine dict and set rewriter for performance. Well, that's not true anymore. What performance? Oh, I remember. This is when it used to do like n passes for everything. And then this reduced it by 1 pass. And a new laptop to get tomorrow, and hopefully I have fully set up by Thursday, so I don't have to bring 2 laptops home. Oh, yeah, that sounds a little messy. If not, is instance parent ast.joinster? I don't even remember what it's called. Also, this is deployed, but we'll look at that in a second. So that should fix. What the fuck? Oh, I put a fucking comma here. Duh. It's like, what the hell happened? Okay, so that didn't happen. Do what I expected here. That's weird. Let's breakpoint there. I upgrade plugins. What? This looping is kind of annoying. I'm going to the next one. What are you even doing? Set literals. What the fuck is it? Parent in this case. Formatted value. Yeah. Forgot that there was 2 types there. These, oh, I was like, I wish these had a pretty print, but yeah, it's literally why I made ASD pretty. Okay, so that should fix 2 of these. Sweet, it does. And we gotta do the same thing for the dicts. Not is instance parent est.formatted value. All right. Prevent dict/set rewrite directly in f-string placeholder. Can change the syntax by doubling the curly braces. Breakpoint. How did it skip the breakpoint? In the, oh, because this was false, of course. Sweet. Hit that again. Nice. There. Figure out how to undo the other one though. 976. The rationale. Prison block. Oh. I don't know, because Granger wanted it. Can you tell me? It looks better. I don't fucking know, man. Not my problem. Convert doublet or ANEXT calls on Python 3.10. Who the fuck writes this? Not alright, async IO. Why are there all these issues that I've just never seen before? They aren't equivalent. Oh, they are equivalent with text. 976. What was it for? False 976. We got too many tabs. Alright, what do we gotta get rid of? You can go away. Don't want that. Don't need you anymore. Helpful for telling the story. This can go away, that can go away. Fuck off. Go away, this can go. This is helpful. This, is what we're fixing. Okay, and I wanted to validate that. This we'll look at in a second. I fix this. Presumably, once Windows is done. Done with that. Okay, cool. So I want to go to the other GitHub on my other account. It's funny because GitHub's old terms of service prevented multiple accounts, but then they made an account switcher. So which is it, GitHub? Do you not want us to have multiple accounts, or do you want us to have multiple accounts? Well, I'm put up my little bot. Got this here. So, in theory, if I go to my demo repo and we edit this and copy in this this nonsense here. This is so stupid. It's very clear what they intended to do, but the way they've written is nonsense. I'm surprised this isn't an error. I learned Terraform for AWS for this conference co-running that they're doing. Ah, nice. I've written a lot of, oh, we gotta actually get the version. Yes. Let's broken manifest. I want to see what it'll look like. I need to figure out restricted permissions for the deploy though. Oh, you could use OIDC if it's deployed through GitHub. Error during build. Okay, cool. Build. Remote repo, blah, blah, blah. File this. Add this. Expected string got float. Fuck yeah. I am a fan of that. It looks great. Alright, so usually it's not the best idea to deploy during auto update day, but what the fuck? I don't give a shit. I'm gonna make... Well, actually I've made it so it's HA anyway, so... Waits to drain, so it should be fine. I have permissions for the user during the deploy. I just gave full access on all services because lazy. Ah, fair enough. At least for frequency, I basically like I've very narrowly selected the things that it can do. So already done that. Okay, cool. So this one's done. Let's see what this other one's about. I'm pretty sure I fixed this already. Oh, I guess not. Fuck. Oh, I bet this is the thing that I fixed in tokenize RT, but not for f-string parts. Bet this is what I had to fix here. Token name equals f-string middle. Oh, this is the other direction. Well, what the hell? Sucks. Trillion. When does it provide the Terraform scripts so others can just deploy themselves? Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. This is going the opposite direction. Because, so the problem is, this is rendered correctly here, but if you have this, you get this fucking weird shit here. We have to specifically replace out N escapes and leave them alone. Oh, that's so dumb. So this is just wrong in like a weird way. So I'm guessing that it's specifically when it ends with the character that we have to, well, that's not true here either. And these offsets are wrong, I think, too. It says this goes to 27? That's right, though. 20 to 24? That's the right character width. 17 to 19? How are these not wrong? Oh, this starts at 19, so how did I end up getting the right numbers at the end though? Where'd the extra characters go? Yeah, so this is where the bug happens. This is not supposed to happen here, but it is supposed to happen here. Oh god, that fucking sucks. That's so annoying. The right number is exclusive? Yeah, but this is the start position. So, and we don't have an encoding token. So, oh, these are 0 indexed. Is that what it is? These are also 0 indexed. This doesn't have the white space up there. Okay, so 0, 2, 4, 6. This one is off. Oh, but this one is wrong too. So this is +2, so that's supposed to be 17. Okay. And this is supposed to be 20. Okay, this matches up now. So I was confusing myself because of this bug. So what do I need to do here? I know I did a thing for this. So how do it work? Named Unicode RE. Oh, fuck me. Gonna make things hella slow. Wish they wouldn't have fucked this up. So annoying. I wonder how the tokenized module handled this. I feel like they have to also handle this. No, they don't. Token type is f-string middle. Curly brace in token or end curly brace in token. Token equals self.escape brackets token. What the fuck is this code doing? Live coding, hello, how you doing? Character is an end curly brace. Consume until next bracket becomes false, and it appends the character. If it's an open curly braces, we find the number of backslashes at the end of the string? What the fuck does that mean? Today's date is 10/21. Nice. What does that mean? This looks very similar to the code that I have over here. But handles multi-line stuff, which is this math just seems wrong then. Because if this goes on to a new line, then this is just the wrong number. But I have the same problem here. So whatever this bug is, I've replicated it. What is this even? What procedure is this? Untokenized. Okay, yeah. Their shit's bugged too. I wonder if they have a thing for this. So I wonder if do they have a thing for this? A little helper? Must be bytes.io? Yeah. So then if we do tokenize.untokenize, we should get a round trip. Yeah, we do. Okay, so now if we do an S string, do we have British strings? Or yeah, I don't know. Oh man. We do this. How does their shit work? Why does theirs work, but mine doesn't? What? What? No. Okay, so if we do this, we can at least debug what the fuck's going on. In the standard library version. So let's slap a breakpoint here. Token equals snowman. Oh, they have special handling for this. So what does their escape brackets do? Fuck is this? What is that? Find out. So I want to be at 199. The number of backslashes mod 2 is equal to 0. This is some unfucking readable nonsense here. We do hit that line. So characters -2 to -1 is \space. Why? Did they just like get this right on accident? Like, what the fuck is this code? This looks like a complete accident. This is not even fucking escaping the curly braces. It's escaping this character. I mean, not even that character. What? What is this even supposed to do? I mean, I feel like this is the code that's meant for this, but I just don't understand why. Actually, get blame lib tokenize escape brackets all in one commit. Okay, so that should hopefully give us some context. Fix untokenized handling of Unicode named literals. Well, it is literally what they're looking for here. But I feel like the code for it is just luck. Yeah, what if we do... I think there's a way to break this. What if we do a single quote followed by double curly quotes? Or double quote? Double quote. What does this do? Unterminated string literal. It's not valid string? Oh, we just need a single backslash here? What? Yeah, that code is fucking nonsense. That code is fucking nonsense. Like, this is our source. Make sure this actually prints. Yeah. This does work, and if we this is nonsense. Okay. Well, we found a bug in tokenize. I wonder if this is broken on the latest CPython. Yeah, they made such a fucking stupid decision by not producing the curly braces properly in the tokenize. Dave, hello, welcome. Figure prefix with prefix J8. Got more cores on this computer. Brr, I'm gonna let that do its thing. Other deploy not. What's going on here? 19 minutes. Oh, it's probably waiting for. Oh, my fans have turned on. It's waiting for each one to clear out. Okay, the HA stuff is working, I guess. Theory. Unless our unless this is backing up. Oops. This should be not quite done yet. The fans stopped, so I was like, oh, it's probably done now. But now it's just on a. No, the fans are back. Okay. Okay, you can hide in the background again. Try not ruin the stream compression. Okay, there we go. So we change this to tokenize as. Yeah, that's nonsense. Bit Commander, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see if there's an example of this. Untokenize is not round trip for code containing line breaks. Yeah, fair enough. Okay, new one then. Untokenize of specially crafted escaped characters does not round trip really. This small program does not round trip through tokenize, untokenize. It appears to mishandle the escaped quote as a named escape. This is what it produces after a round of untokenization. Annoyingly, tokenize RT is from a different related bug. That's why I was investigating this to begin with. Aside, handling of belly braces in 3.12 plus tokenization, huge pain. Versions tested on the this drop down's kind of nice. What was the commit ID that I found? This one. Looks so funky. Okay, well that tells me that their shit's fucked, so I gotta fix mine too. How do I make this not slow for everyone is the bigger problem. I already used somewhere. We'll use it for okay. Terrible. So what do we do? What do we do? Yeah, there's also the problem of F string middle having multiple lines. That's a whole different problem. So what happens for that? How do I even replicate that? We need an F string middle that wraps multiple lines. I guess we just do this. But maybe the token's cut off in the middle, so it's not a big deal. It's fine actually. But if we do this, oh, I'm just doing cat. That looks fine. It's just the way to go. I feel like there's a bug here somewhere, but I don't know what it is. Maybe there's no multi-line tokens? Well, this song took a weird turn. Anyway, I'm not gonna find that bug. I don't care. But let's fix this one. Basically just need to do the same thing that they do, but we need to figure out how to do this. Unicode RE. Ah, curly escape. Look at this fucking function. This is literally what I'm looking for. This is literally the code I'm looking for. Ugh. This is a really inefficient way to do this. This can just be like mod 2 or whatever. Relcy Law says, hi, what are you working on? Working on Pi upgrade right now. I'm trying to fix a subtle bug with Unicode escapes. This is exactly the function I want, but we're gonna do a better version of it. Hey, it finally deployed to prod. Sorry, we're multitasking also. Hey, deployed to prod. It took 20 minutes because it had to rotate everything. Now I should be able to requeue these. And I should be able to find those runs. And they should error very quickly. 2 hours late. But cool. And then should clear out if I go back here. Sweet. Okay, so let's make a faster version of this function. Oops. And then we'll port it to tokenize RT. Oh, we already did something there. Cool. Did past Anthony already do the work? It appears so. We have tests for this? No, but we use it in places. So the thing about re.split is the odd numbers. We gotta split with. Wait. The fuck? Oh, because it has to be a capturing group. Non-capturing group. Or sorry, look behind. Non-capturing group, capturing group. Okay, so this regex needs to be a capturing group. Yeah, so the thing about re.split is the odd ones are always going to be your actual string contents, and the even ones are going to be your original parts. So you don't ever need to check the even parts. You just have to check the odd parts. You find I was having the monotonic clock? No, not yet. I haven't even looked into it because I want to make a video on it that's like, my computer's fucked, Lamau. Yeah, so this actually just needs to be even odd. Rather than continually rerunning this regex. So and ones. Bruh. None of values to unpack. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's wrong. Why? Oh. Because 0 index. 0, 1. Duh. There we go. And there's an additional improvement here. Where you can just short circuit this and then you don't run the regex engine at all. Although I don't know if it's faster or not. Hard to say. This is the standard that makes that choice though. But it's hard to say whether that's worth it. Fun one. The other problem is we need to know the length of this. We need to know how much bigger it gets. I guess I could just record the length before and after and add it. Yeah, that would work. But this seems fine. I mean, we don't need to know it here, but we need to know it in tokenize RT. And it's Rocco. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, I guess we leave that. That seems fine. Okay, so this doesn't fix the problem, but it is a slight optimization. Actually, do we even bother putting this here? Because we're just gonna put the same function into tokenize RT and we just import it from there. Hey Monkey Man, hello, how you doing? Welcome. So I'm gonna show this as well. We gotta make another example of that. Oh. As source 2 tokens f string with named escapes. Gotta get you and raw. Yeah, that looks like valid syntax. Thank you. Doing okay today. Tiny bit slow start to the week though. Hopefully the night will be productive. 8. There you go. Source. The version info is greater than or equal to 312. I'll cover. Well, we'll just figure those out in a second. And so this one's going to be wrong, but we're going to fix it. This works. Tox legacy error. Tox is so fucking noisy. We get the failure here. And then we can fix the actual output. Here, be wrong, but we'll be able to adjust it. Five spaces? So this should not have doubled strings here. And this should be 2 fewer. 6 is on this side of the keyboard. And then 1, we can just paste it there as well. Bloop. Oh yeah, this is escaped. Like, how did this not become a thing? It's escaped. Okay, so we're failing test now. And we need to yoink. The server says, after the pip compile token leak debacle, I did try UV, which I already fixed that. I tried it within talks. I hate to admit it makes it a little less annoying. Yeah, just because it skips all the talks output. Fun one. This is definitely that's on one line, right? So, where do we do this? Yeah, that works. Maybe I move this into the check down there. If this in toke x or this in toke now it looks very similar to the standard library one. Okay, seems fine. How did I not run into this though? Because it wasn't in an F string. Duh. Failed. Why did you fail? Why are you building fucking 32-bit? Why are you trying to build 32-bit? Who gives a fuck? Also, I like how it just shit the bed. Where's the rest of the output? GitHub! Oh, there's the button I'm looking for. Where's the output? It failed to install zlib. Not my problem. This doesn't look like an error here. Weird. Like the last thing, this looks successful. Usually Make will have complained somewhere in here. The word error in here? Failed with code 7. What was running? It was presumably Make. Don't know. But did it promote to PyPI is a better question. Fuck. Esdist is there? Where are the wheels? Oh, that's not good. That is not good at all, because I don't have a way to promote these. Oh, unless this is still building. Maybe it's still building. 8 of 8. What the fuck? Download artifact. Law. Published PyPI. What the fuck? Where are the wheels? God damn it, where are the wheels? LSDist, it's just the source distribution. God fucking damn it. Oh. Oh, you see how this one is V4 and this one is V3? They have to match. Oh, God. This is probably my fault. It's probably still my fault, but I think upload artifact to V4 as well. So there's somewhere that it's not all done. Yeah, but these didn't work. That's annoying. Yeah, why is that one V3? Ah! That's not the problem, though. Yeah, the problem is that artifacts are immutable, so this will not work here. I need to figure out a way. I guess it's just OS Arch. I gotta download all within a prefix, I think. Download dist. We'll call this dist sdist. Download artifact. Do you? This is one of the more annoying GitHub deprecations because they just kind of dropped it on everyone. We're like, it's for security, but fucking broke everyone's use cases. Yeah, this shit here. Breaking changes. Everything. Get fucked, Lamau. Merge multiple. When multiple artifacts are matched, this changes the behavior of the destination directory. It's true, download artifacts will be in the same directory specified by path. If false, the download artifacts will extract in individual name directories. Default is false, so I think we'll set merge multiple to true. But how does this work? Pattern? Ignore it if name is specified. So we'll do pattern dist dash star path this and then merge multiple true. I think that'll work. We need to do the same thing for the publish. Oh, oh. Do this here as well. We should also expect This should error otherwise, right? You do ls.disk/wat.star.foo star.foo. Then we get nothing. So dumb. So dumb. Fixes for upload artifact / download artifact v4. And I'll have to make another release too. Really annoying. Might as well do that at the same time, right? Oh, what is this file for? I think that file's gone. Yeah, that file's gone. This should be serial of 1. And then if we do bin package version now, this. Do bin package version now. Then we set up a virtual env that has a set of tools installed, and then we do bin package version. There we go. So you download dist, you download pre-build, download everything, and you download everything. Hopefully that fixes things. Majestic Coding Twitch, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. All right. Vanilla Unicode named escapes in F-string components. It's so funny that this was for a completely different reason in PyUpgrade, but it satisfies this use case perfectly. Very good. Very good. Okay. Dog has almost gotten to my repos, and then I can merge all of those PRs. But until then, it's just going to give me more notifications. I don't want to release the other part first anyway. Okay, so this should now have a good failing PR. Now the question is, how long is it going to take this person to realize that their shit's fucked? Been broken for a couple hours. But we'll see. Has anyone noticed? Has anyone noticed that this is broken? Oh well, that's their problem, not mine. I mean, it was my problem for a little bit, but their problem, not mine. Okay, But we fixed that, so we can ignore that. We can ignore this, despite their crazy fucked up config. Actually, I'm kind of curious, like, what did it do before? Was there a warning? There better have been a warning, right? So, jump to this 2 weeks ago so we can look at the output here. It tried to build Ruby and took too long and timed out. Okay, not that one then. Let's look at the very old one. Past. No warnings at all. Buh. Thought I made this an error at some point. uh... You know, I probably just made this an error in check YAML and not here. That would make sense. Anyway, their config is nonsense, but it works at least. Just die. Auto update dead letter, that's fine. We'll go some other day. I don't really care right now. Oh, auto update is almost done. Oh, yes, because it's processing my repos. Yeah. Yeah. Well, we looked at these last week, so we can do those. Forgot to do it while I was doing it. The run queue is high. That's because it's running my repos. All right, we're done with AWS. We're done with this. This. That's working on. That can go away. This is my fun little bug. Is me trying to figure out why whiskey's failing. And oh, and my internet has died. Hooray! Oh. An EMP. Oh, are we back? Hello? Might have to refresh. Are we back? Question mark? This didn't disconnect though. Just OBS disconnected. So the like EMP noise is gone. Oh. Friends there? Viewer 0. Oh, haven't seen that in a while. Oh well. Okay. For myself anyway. What was I doing? I need to look at that commit anymore. This is done. This failed for who fucking knows why. Didn't tell us in the output either. This is still gonna be fucked for a while. That I think we figured out. Let this build happen. We're back. Nice. Thank you, the other server. Oh, the viewer count went from 0 to 56 almost immediately. Good job. Good job, Twitch. You did it. Figured it out. Yeah, not update day is done, so I can merge all those things now. But also I made this and it's failing already. Coverage. Line 54 to 55. Oh, because that's only covered on new version. So we can write a little unit test for this, I guess. Yeah. And we got our base case, and we got a curly brace becomes a double curly brace. Yeah. And snowman becomes snowman. So let's just do this. Do one with more in it as well. Blue. Go up at the top next to these. Well. It doesn't matter where the tests go. That should fix that problem. And then we'll also be able to upgrade. Checks cannot be loaded right now. Oh no! Silly GitHub. Refresh worked fine for me. And it looks like Updog is done. Purge all errors. I'll merge this one first. Well, we'll do all the pipe rate stuff, and then I'll go through and merge everything. Once Windows finish. Come on, Windows. Slow. Why did it take 20 seconds to pip install a virtual env? Last checkout took 19 seconds. Windows hosts are another beast. Oh, we can do... The answer says TIL, don't use GitLab. GitLab has force pushes disabled by default. Well, that fucking sucks. Bump. We introduced an API. Technically, it's a bug fix. But we also introduced an API, so we're gonna do minor. It's sort of undocumented, but we introduced it. We're gonna use it even though it's not undocumented, or even though it's undocumented. Oh. Huh. What was 6.0? Something. Was that the F-string stuff? Remove Python 2 compatible parsing. That's 5.0. Who is this? Oh, I also did an update, auto update at the same time. So was this the 6.0? It describe contains. No, it must be the F-string one. Oh yeah, because it technically breaks, yeah. Technically breaks parsing in like a weird way. Okay, so we released that. Named escapes in S-string. I don't even know where this would go. This is sort of just like a meta test. Fixed main, no up. What the fuck is this code doing? What the fuck is this code doing? Guess we can put our example in here. That should fail. This needs to be escaped. And then if we upgrade this, that should pass. Cool. And then we can actually get rid of you. Do curly escape here too. Pick. We have to update this. See what that does. Should be good though. Weird that it like lags in the middle there. Don't know what that's about. Here either. Oh yeah. Fixed named escapes in F string middle. Cool. This one's gonna be so cool if I ever finish it. I don't quite understand what you mean by double check what PyPy does here. I don't know what they're confused about. Did this get done already? $885 handles everything except for concurrent.futures.timeout error. Why didn't we do the last one? I don't know why we didn't do the last one. What's more likely than me accomplishing this one? Wait, did I already merge? Oh no, that's the other PR. Okay. Merge. How's this one going? 60. This thing takes hours. I cannot wait for the. Oh, I can't talk about that. Maybe they've said it publicly. Have they talked about it publicly? I don't know. GitHub ARM64 run. Brr. Okay, they've talked about it. I don't have to be hush hush about it. It's public. But they're still just paid only at the moment, which is annoying. But anyway, this thing takes like a fucking hour. And I don't like waiting. The AR-64 took 61 minutes. Yeah, that sucks. It sucks. Okay, anyway, did I merge the pipe grade one? I did, so I can make a new bump miner, and then I'm gonna merge my auto update PRs so that my inbox can go from 82 to a much more manageable. Yeah, token. Cool. Very cool. That issue got closed. Let's go through my notifications. We're gonna zoom out a bit so that I can actually open all of these and merge them properly. So we're gonna get small text for a bit. That done with that. Working on that. Sort of working on that. Done with this. Running here. That. Where are there two? Oh, I know what the other pull request is. Never mind. Me also. That's this here again. Okay. Got a bunch of duplicate tabs. All right. Let's open these all up and get to work. I expect most of these will just be trivial merges, but given that MyPy thing got fixed, I might have some MyPy fixes on a couple of these. Some other thing. Oh, 3333. We got quads on that one. Wow. I'll probably have a few stragglers from last week that didn't get updated 3 hours ago because anything that doesn't have MyPy will be back here. So here are the things that don't have type checking. It's not that many actually. I'm surprised that it's not more. And oh, I did want to double check this. Apparently Windows curses got fixed. I'm gonna have to click through on all these, aren't I? 65 files changed. What the fuck? Oh yeah, this is Flake8 where Black does terrible things and then I don't have a way to handle that right now. Oh, I'm gonna have to click this on every single one of these. Ah, it's so annoying. Maybe I just go through and click the conversation tab first. Yeah, that'll speed this up. This one's in the right spot. Why are you in the right spot? This is how I'm gonna do this. Welcome to GitHub click buttons therapy, where literally just do this over and over and over. These few that are unrelated updates. And I know I could automate this, but I actually prefer clicking this. It's like my one time a week to click some buttons. Feel good about merging hundreds of PRs. I'm kicking off the computers to do my bidding. I was like, why is that one different? Because Max must have merged last week's PR. It is a little bit annoying that you can see it like jiggles into place because I think the notifications bar is like lazily loaded, but only when the page is visible. Okay. No, the last few at the end shouldn't have any. Make me click this thing twice because one, these ones will fail because for a while. That one. Oh, this is gonna be the same thing. Conflicts. Now we got to think about because it removes Python 3.8 support. So we'll handle that one separately. And no type checking. Embarrassing. Another one that I think will be failing for a different reason as well. One was already failing, so I'm just gonna. Doesn't have type checking either. This one does? No, it's just been around for forever. Why are all the CIs failing? D64. Request is automatically failed because it's using a deprecated version of upload artifact. Amazing. Hate to see it. I'm surprised this one must just not have Python required. This is the thing that I want to look at later. But I have not enough tabs here. Okay, so now I can go through and click the actual merge buttons. Animation is a little annoying. What the fuck? What do you mean checking for the ability to merge? Why? Why did it do that? Yeah, this new view is pretty buggy. Done. This one is a failure. Go back here and close out the merged. So we have the failing one far left. Figure out why you're failing in a bit. It's probably that MyPy thing, if I had to guess. Which is good, because it's probably just like, hey, remove this type ignore comment, please. Bug from before. Already merged. Sometimes the page loads faster than normal. I don't understand. I feel like off-screen lazy loading is very suspect to me. Like, I don't know why they would do that. Like, the whole reason I load these in the background is so that they can all load, but then I get to this and it fails again. Okay, another one. That's probably also the same thing. Close out all the merged ones. Continue onwards. Oh, we got another failing one. Also the same reason. And another one. Or maybe it'll be a different MyPy error. We'll find out. Get back to those. Kind of late too. Probably be the last thing that we do. Other one. Oh, I know this one we know. One is the Python version. That one too. And these ones at the end are like that. This I wanted to double check with Babby. Okay, let's see why each of these are failing. Open that new tab. And use type ignore. Hell yeah, that's what we like to see. Ruby VM. That's what we like to see. What this one is. Please also be that. Wait, can I not middle click on this? Just on the arrow. Hell yeah. Okay. Good news so far. Nice. News there too. These all the same one. They're probably all the same one. Hell yeah. Okay. Good to see, good to see. But I can start deleting some. Cool. 34. Noise. All right, so the Ruby VM it was pre-commit. This was in the testing directory. Oh, that's helpful. We okay, so that's this one and this one. What are the other ones? Pre-commit CI runner. It's probably the same exact error. Probably. Okay, and then runner image. It's really the same one? I guess so. This is a slightly different type ignore. Probably one fix that fixed a few related type. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So it's gonna enable auto merge here. That one will get merged. This one should be done already. Is indeed. That one's merged. This one will run the test. Oh, the tests take a while though. Ah, but we have auto merge here as well. I don't have the last one. The other one go. We auto merged. So lost that tab somewhere. Oh well. Okay, and this one's auto merging, so we can let it go. And then we do PyCode style. And I39 plus. This really nothing changed there. But we can find some stuff here. If the version info is less than 310, so 3.9 is less than 310. This 3.8 is what end of life. That one we leave alone. That one we leave alone. If false or this, so we can just get rid of this. False or parentheses or 12 3.11.4. Love me some patch version breakages. Yeah. Skip. Are those numbered ones? Like we have version specific test files in here. And if we this, I'll also have to do it in the GitHub Actions as well. Three 8 or 3,8 or 3,9. So what? I guess you can go away. This one is afloat. This can be 312, and we can add 313, I guess. Even add 314. It's weird that it looks like I almost already did this, but for some reason left it around. And I suck at YAML. I put a comma here for some reason. I'm surprised that's a syntax error. I guess it's because I had a quoted literal. Unread. These. Deployment notifications. Hell yeah, auto deploys. Oh. It's fine. Gotta change the branch protect. So I'll add 12 and 13. Move this. 12. 13. These are so old that they predate the like sourcing stuff. Funky. Bop. It's the only required, not required check should be 314. Good. This, and then I will rebase. Looking for an all repos branch. That's not what this is. Did that not merge? Fuck do you mean auto merge? All right, this shit's broken. I forgot. People auto merge. Merge now. Sweet. This one we can approve an auto merge. And this one should work. Quickly deleting the rest of my emails, but I'm clicking on each of them so they get marked as red. Then the little notification icon. Big fault on Mac OS. Okay, rerun will already merged. And This still hasn't finished. I guess it hasn't been an hour. It's only been 40 minutes. That means I gotta like stay up and babysit this damn thing. All right. Well, I think it's gonna wrap us up for today. Yeah. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel, and that's youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Go subscribe there. I upload my streams to my second channel, anthonywritescode-vods. Subscribe there as well. Yeah, that's where my VODs end up. They don't end up on Twitch because of DMCA shenanigans, but this is where they go if you want to see them. Also, join the Discord if you want to hang out. That's where I announce my streams. And yeah, stay well. You too, Wow's the Clutch. Thank you for stopping by. I'm too lazy to raid today, so we're just gonna end stream here, and I will see you in the next one.